My fellow adventurers, I believe that by subscribing, you'll unlock a world of captivating content and join a community of passionate individuals. However, it breaks my heart when I see that only 29% of the viewers are subscribed to my channel. Please subscribe, it's completely free, and please leave a like, it will mean a world to me, and will help my channel a lot. Before diving into the enchanting world of William Shakespeare's A Midsummer Night's Dream, it's important to have a basic understanding of the main characters. Let us shine a spotlight on one of the central figures in this delightful tale. Francis Flute. Francis Flute is a humble bellows mender who finds himself thrust into the world of theater as a member of a group of amateur actors. His character is marked by his shy and unassuming nature, his hidden talent, and his journey of self-discovery within the realm of performance. Francis Flute's transformation from a timid worker to a blossoming actor showcases the power of embracing one's passions and talents. Physically, Francis Flute possesses a slight and unobtrusive presence, often blending into the background. His soft-spoken nature and unassuming appearance make him an easy target for the playful antics of his fellow actors. Francis's simple attire, reflecting his trade as a bellows mender, serves as a contrast to the vibrant and flamboyant costumes of the theatrical world he enters. Francis Flute's character is defined by his initially timid demeanor and his lack of confidence in his own abilities. He is often hesitant to step into the spotlight and feels more comfortable within the confines of his everyday life as a craftsman. However, beneath his reserved exterior lies a hidden talent waiting to be discovered. As the story progresses, Francis Flute undergoes a transformation as he is assigned a female role in their amateur production. Initially reluctant and embarrassed by the prospect, he gradually begins to embrace the challenge. Through his dedication and commitment to the craft, Francis discovers a newfound confidence and a remarkable talent for portraying female characters on stage. Despite his initial reservations, Francis Flute's journey of self-discovery serves as an inspiration to both his fellow actors and the audience. He sheds his timidness and fear of judgment, fully immersing himself in his performances. Francis's dedication and genuine portrayal of his roles capture the hearts of those who witness his transformation, proving that even the most unassuming individuals can shine brightly on stage. Francis Flute's character arc is marked by his growth and self-acceptance. As he embraces his talent and gains confidence in his abilities, he becomes an integral part of the troupe. Francis's humility and hard-working nature endear him to his fellow actors, creating a supportive and nurturing environment within the group. Join me in the next episode, where we shall delve deeper into the heart of Shakespeare's masterpiece, unraveling its themes, exploring its magical elements. Please subscribe to my channel, it's completely free, and please leave a like, it will mean a world to me.